Okay, we are in Queens. Let's try a little Filipino food. Hello. How are you? What you have today for lunch? Wow. Everything looks good. Some new dishes maybe. Can I try to guess them?
This is
Sinigang.
yeah, salmon.
I'll try to guess them. This is adobo squid.
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know this.
That is tulingan fish.
Colina.
Tulingan.
Colina, okay. Maybe something lechon paksu maybe? What is this?
That is sweet pork knuckle.
I know nothing. Okay, that one is calabasa.
Yeah.
Sitaw, okay. Mongo. Maybe adobo. What's that one?
That is chicken africano.
Okay.
Tayo kain dito?
Po?
Wala kainan dito?
Pwede po.
Sige, maya na lang. May hintay lang kung kasama.
Okay po.
Okay, and then this one back here.
That is like some
Okay, and then menudo.
that is caldereta soup.
I'm bad. You tell me the rest of them.
Adobong goat. This is beef steak.
Okay.
Estofado, the chicken. Pork adobo and
Pork knuckle. Okay, I think I definitely want to try one of this and the combo and the goat adobo. I think that looks good. Yeah. And this fish, maybe for next time. I've never seen that. This is like the traditional adobo, right? With goat.
You want it, right?
Yeah, of course. Great. It's good. And would you eat this with white rice or garlic rice?
We don't have garlic rice.
Okay, then white rice. Perfect. Amazing.
Are you staying or?
Where can I eat over there?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I stay. Oh, you got the fish here too.
Oh yeah, right. You
Some.
want this, right? This sweet pork knuckle?
Yes, please. Some galugong, maybe. Yeah, tilapia,
Butterfish.
butterfish, and whatever this is. Looks big.
Tilapia.
Tilapia.
Yes, tilapia.
Cool. Amazing. Some beer, but no beer today. And maybe I get a dessert. So, pandan pichi pichi. What else do we have? Puto, that's, you gotta dip that in tinuguan, I heard. Leche Flan. Ooh, yum. Okay. What's this one? Leche Flan again. What's this? Kunsinta. I'll do leche flan. I actually have never had it. Okay, one leche flan. Where do I eat? Where's the... Oh!
Inside.
Inside. Wrong way. All these snacks. Shrimp crackers. I might have to get some vinegar later. Ooh, sayote. Hello ingredients. Wow, perfect. Okay, this is exciting. She said goat adobo, which I've been waiting to try. That is like the very... I wonder what region of Philippines is known for goat adobo, but I've never had it. It seems like the very traditional adobo method. So, let's try a bite of this. My first goat adobo. That is delicious. It's gamey from the goat, so it's different than chicken. I think I might like that more than a chicken or beef adobo. Little bones in there. Graphic YouTube eating. That is delicious. Lots of black pepper in this tasty sauce. Not as sweet as the chicken adobo, but lots of vinegar. Very bright. Delicious. A lot of people asking if I have my tripod. My tripod is broken. I broke it. I had it for about 4 vlogs, so I'm getting a new tripod. So I'm holding you now. Let's try this one. This looks like pork knuckle. Whoa, how do we navigate this? Some banana. This I think is the Saba banana. Let's try this first. No rice. Oh, you can taste beautiful. Lots of pepper in these dishes. There's a nice piece of ham, glistening. Lots of tasty fat. Let's try that with a little bit of rice. There might be a bone in here, so get ready for me to spit out a bone. No bone. That was the best bite of food I've had all week. I'm wolfing down this adobo. It is, and the guy told me behind me that goat is the healthiest meat. This has been cooked beautifully long, so it's very tender on the bone. Comes right off. I don't know how you're supposed to eat this stuff. I'm gonna eat it with my hands. This is sweet. It almost tastes like it has like pineapple in it, but it's got those plantains. And you put the sauce over the rice. This restaurant I've been to once before. It's one of the best in New York for Filipino food. Okay, that was an all-timer. Let's check out the groceries. Oh, champorado. People say they eat that with tuyo, the smoked fish. I need to do that. But I can't figure out if you have champorado with, like if it's made fresh, or do people put the smoked fish on the instant type? What else do we have? Red curry paste. Oh yes. So many bagoons. Bagoon. What's down here? Toyo masi. I looked for that once. That's soy sauce with calamansi, which is the Filipino citrus. That's fun. There's the calamansi juice. What's this? Andox Litson sauce. Is this a rival to Mang Tomas? I don't know if I've ever seen this, a rival. No, Litson. I'll have to look that up, what that is. This place is stocked. All the pancit canton. This looks like the what's used in like bihun, the vermicelli. I was trying to find the vinegar game. This is what I was looking for. Sukan Ilocos, native vinegar. I wanted to try this one. I think I'll get one of these. I wanted to try to cook with it. Let's get one. Thank you very much. It's very good.
Okay, Reggie.
Oh yeah, nice meeting you. Thank you. Nice guy there I was eating lunch with. He was giving me the breakdown of that I should go to the Philippines. Which maybe I will if I have like a, I don't know. I gotta go, maybe at 100,000 followers I go to the Philippines. Or maybe less. But now, we're gonna go find a place to eat this lechon. I think I have a spot. Look at this shape of this bank. The world's oddest shaped Bank of America. That's crazy. It's like a 1/4 of a pyramid. Okay, it's a bit windy out, so I found this beautiful filming location. Oh, try and block some wind. One sec. Okay, let's have a little Leche Flan. So this I've only ever really tried in Hello, which is a delicious dessert. This reminds me of almost like a creme caramel. So let's dive in for a bite. Our lid flew away. Wind season. This is called one-handed vlogging. The one and only. Look at this with that rich caramel syrup. Oh my god. Dripping, which is good because we're outside. Look at that. Whoa, that is a blast of sugary sweet. That's sensational. Look, it's created a little caramel lake. Wow, rich. I don't think anyone could finish that whole thing. I can't believe I've done like 20 vlogs and the first time I ever had Leche Flan. I've seen it in almost every restaurant. So that's it. That is Leche Flan. It's delicious, it's rich, it's creamy. It's like every Filipino dessert, which is never a bad time. So until next time, from Queens,